Guys, if you're subscribed to the channel, you've already seen me talk about the announcement of the 700H and the Overtrail version. Overtrail not out yet, but we have the first prototype in the US right now. We're actually the first non-Lexus employees to take a look at it. So we're gonna do a walk around, show you what it looks like, launching in this atomic silver color, and we'll check out the interior too. We've got a new color combo. But yeah, let's look at the specs here. Combined 457 horsepower, and we know the torque number is good. Oh yeah, 583 pounds of torque and an 8,000-pound towing capacity. So this thing's going to be legit. Going to get a little bit better gas mileage, but we're really waiting on that Overtrail version to give you some of that more overlanding stuff that you can make use of that battery. But I really think it's beautiful. Brian, let's take a look at the inside, because this is a new color combo that they're launching in the 700H. These white seats,
it's absolutely gorgeous. You've got a lot of contrast on the door cards, and in the wood it's got kind of a chocolate color, and then almost black matte wood finishes in here. Yeah. It's absolutely spectacular.
Let's take a look in the back real quick, because this is a 3-row SUV like all LXs have been. This is not necessarily news to anyone, but that third row is more of a traditional third row with the launch of the 300 series. It doesn't fold up into the side. It's like a real third row, folds into the floor. So it's a little more convenient.
This is pretty cool. Really, one of the first people to get to see this in North America, period. That's not a Lexus employee, like you said. That's really cool. And they are opening up the Expo to the public, so folks are going to start showing up here. But yeah, a little exclusive for you guys.